A couple weeks ago I did a video showing the installation of the front mask on my Ram EcoDiesel truck as well as the block heater setup. And today I want to show you guys what difference that block heater actually makes in this cold temperature. It is minus 11 right now, so I'm going to walk over to the truck and I'm not going to start it right away. I'm going to show you guys the dash so you can see the gauges and see what the difference is in temperatures. You can see I've got the block heater plugged in over here. All right, so I'm not going to press the brake pedal. I'm just going to press the start button once so that we can get the one more time so we can get the gauges up here. And let's see what we're looking at. Hit the OK button. Okay, so right now it is minus 15 outside, and you can see it's showing the coolant temp as 59 degrees. And so that's a pretty big difference already. Now when I started it is going to cool down as the coolant circulates, but let me do that quick here. Let's see how she starts. All right. And now as the coolant temperature starts to circulate, we'll see that 59 degrees go down. But I'd have to say that the block heater does help quite a bit to make it not as hard on the engine when we started on a cold day like this. So now I'm going to go unplug the block heater cord. Admittedly, this is the worst part about it, but with my outlet being at this height and the cord being at this height, it's not as bad. I'd rather be dealing with this than bending over in the snow. So I'll just I'm going to set the camera down while I put this back in here. Since it is so cold, I'm going to try to close these flaps too. I've got about a 2-hour drive this morning, so I'm gonna let the truck run for about 10-15 minutes at idle. I'm gonna grab all my stuff, load it up, and then we'll see what the temperature looks like then. Well, I started the truck about 15 minutes ago, and you can see where we're at now. I don't think that's too bad. I'm about to hit the road here. All right, I gotta head to work. Looks like about 15 minutes of idle time. I'm up to a reasonable temperature. I'll take it easy as I start driving just to be nice to the truck. It is cold. It's minus 15 right now. And I imagine on the highways that I'm driving on this morning, it's gonna be even colder than that. So the mask should help out quite a bit. I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what difference that block heater actually makes. Now, I just leave it plugged in between driving. So I'll come home when the truck's warm and I'll plug it in and I'll just leave it. That way the block heater is just maintaining. I know some people want to run timers and things like that. I don't want to mess with any of that, so I'm not going to. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.